Okay, today we're going to take a look at our newest Casa listing. This one has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It actually has fantastic ocean views from the terrace. You can see the neighborhood's very quiet. It's mature vegetation, really high ceilings. Let's go see how it looks inside. So walking in the front door, you come into the living area here. You can see the super high ceilings. Dining table. Open concept kitchen with an island. Really nice sized kitchen, lots of counter space. Dining table. And from the kitchen, there's 2 bedrooms on the left and the master's on the right. You can see these sliding glass doors open onto the terrace. And there's a full outdoor kitchen area. So first let's take a look at the inside. To the right of the kitchen, there's a small office area. Or enclave, whatever you'd like to use it for. I definitely would use it as an office area. Also with sliding doors onto the porch. Through here is the master bedroom. Again with sliding doors onto the terrace. Ensuite bathroom, built-in closets. So the ensuite is right here. Walk-in shower. And although it's 11:30, so it's quite warm, it's very cool in here. These fans are great. The high ceilings really help keep everything nice and cool. Very comfortable. On the other side of the kitchen are the 2 guest bedrooms. Guest bath with walk-in shower right here. Laundry room with a relatively new washing machine. Guest bedroom number 1. Also with a walkout onto the pool deck. Built-in closets. And it's actually worth mentioning there are new air conditioners throughout in every bedroom. So the 3rd bedroom is through here. Again, built-in closets, new air conditioning. Good sized rooms. All more than adequate to accommodate king-size beds comfortably. Lots of space. So back through to the living, dining, kitchen area. We're gonna walk out and take a look at the outside. Outdoor terrace. Great pool with a shallow shelf where you can put your sun chairs and get some sun while sitting in the water. You can see through here, there's ocean views. On the right is an additional bedroom and another bathroom, and also a full outdoor kitchen sitting area. I would actually, it looks like they did have at one point, I would put a TV out here and make it a full outdoor sitting area. Just because you do tend to spend probably 70–80% of your time outside anyway. So making great living space makes all the difference. because you will use it. So over here on the right is the 4th bedroom, again with its own bathroom. Stepping in off the pool deck. It's right here. So this washroom actually has 2 doors. So there's one from this bedroom, see the walk-in shower, and then there is a second door that leads onto the pool deck, which means people can access this washroom right from the pool, so they're not walking through the house to get to a washroom when they're coming out of the pool. What's really surprising about this villa is the amount of land that they actually have, and so they put up the palms for privacy, so it's a very private lot. And then on the far side, they've got a great garden. So coming through here, you can see there's a pool shower and a step down. To this fully hedged, fantastic garden area. And we have mango. I see avocado over here. Banana right here with some bananas growing, actually, if you can see that. There we go, got some bananas. Oh, and this is really neat. This is a pomegranate tree. So you can see them here. Pomegranates. Actually, I've never seen one of these before here. So this is a really unique piece of plant in this garden. I love it. Really nice size yard, lots of space. So there we have it. Nice size lot, 1/4 acre. We have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, super high ceilings, brand new air conditioners, just painted. Banana, pomegranate, mango, avocado. This really is a fantastic family villa.